So these are two words that I have been waiting a long time, like 4 weeks. It feels like an eternity to say, hell yeah. All right, we are looking finally moving up 2.2 trillion, up 6.7%. It was so good to wake up and see Ethereum going up 8%. Ethereum is my largest holding by leaps and bounds. I own Bitcoin as well, and this is just good stuff. I've been telling you guys forever, we will turn. It looks like we're moving in that direction. We've digested from a market perspective, we've digested the quote bad news, if you will, from last week where the Federal Reserve is tightening its monetary policy, it's going to raise rates, etc. Some of the global information we had coming out related to Bitcoin mining and just all of the stuff that we've been digesting for the last week or so. Okay, so hell yeah, we're moving in the right direction. This is good stuff. And again, like Solana is still a little bit at a discount, even though it's up 6%. As an example, it's still down 12%. Ethereum as well. Again, I fully expect Ethereum to double in price action in the next 7-8 months, give or take, depending upon how the market continues to shake out. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if you will, we are moving in the right direction from an overall market move standpoint. Okay, Cardano moving in the right direction, up 11% in the last 24 hours. XRP's moving, Polkadot's moving, everything is moving up. You've got double-digit gains across the board. You guys heard me talk about Polkadot, love it. Terra, Avalanche, Dogecoin's moving. Polygon is moving as well. Shiba Inu is about to overtake, I believe, Polygon. Right there, you see it on market cap, 16.7, 16.6, and going to overtake its 13 position and push Polygon down. We'll see how that plays out. Look at this. Chainlink, one of the laggards, if you will. Crow coin moving up 10%, looking good there, and I'm definitely a fan of Crow. Cosmos, etc. Double-digit gains. Let's see who's the biggest gainer right now. Phantom, which is one of my favorites, up 24%. I didn't even know that. I didn't even look this morning, so that's good stuff. Phantom's one that I was early into. I owned it at about 90 cents. I let my private group know about that. By the way, link in the description below. I have a members-only weekly live stream where we reveal buy alerts on brand new tokens coming out. So if you're interested in that, links in the description below. It's $20, cheap. Try to keep it as cheap as I can for you guys to help as many people as I can. Okay, back to what we're talking about. Sandbox up 17%. These are all good things, not to be discounted. We're looking really good as long as we can continue this bad boy right here, which all indicators are. We had a movement up yesterday from an overall market standpoint, and now this is the continuation of it. If we can piece together another 2 or 3 days of this, I think we're off and running. Yes, we'll have some mild pullbacks along the way, but this is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been trying to look at and trying to get and trying to get movement on this and trying to move everything forward so that we can see. Remember, always track Bitcoin and Ethereum and look at their price action, because their price action drives everything else. Remember, I'm always trying to educate you guys. If you're not, remember, don't just look at one token that you're into, Shiba Inu, Saitama, Solana, whatever it is. Always zoom out. Look at the overall market conditions. Look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. And a lot of momentum is starting to come back into this. If you look at crypto fear and greed, it's still sitting at a 22, which is actually a good thing right here, right now. So you still have fear. If you're thinking about, again, not investing advice, if you're thinking about putting money in, then we're still in that kind of fear phase, and we're starting to move back towards, maybe being a little bit more moderate, moderate here. Yesterday was a 21. Today is a 22. Okay, so remember this crypto fear and greed, it gauges across a ton of different data points. Overall social sentiment along retail investors. You and I are retail investors, so it's gauging literally our fear and or our, they call it greed, and or our positive, how we feel about the market, right? Okay, and really the sweet spot is to be right in here. So right in this kind of mild orange to light green. We don't really want to be really extreme greed, because that's when the market starts to show that it might be overbought, that kind of thing, and it's gonna react the other way. Okay, just keep that in mind. But right here, right now, I think there's still opportunities to be had as far as top cryptos that are out there. If you're looking at it, go to CoinGecko and look at your 7-day charts, because right now, for example, Solana, even though it's up 6.8%, is still over 7 days at a almost 13% discount off of its previous 7-day high, if you will. All right. All right. That's what I got for you. As always, take it easy. Go make some money. See you. Bye.